I did it. I made the switch. I finally switched to a foldable. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 from Samsung. It was about time, right? I bought it for review for the channel, thinking I would end up returning it, but boy, I was wrong. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I want to share with you guys and dive into why I switched to the Galaxy Z Flip 3 as my daily driver. I've been reviewing different phones and I've come across really unique devices throughout my time on the channel, and also obviously off the channel as well, because I've been following phones for quite some time now. But man, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 just gives that different vibe. And guys, please tell me this doesn't give you a Game Boy Advance SP vibe. Anyway, let's dive right into the video. You know the saying, third time's the charm? Well, it's kind of true with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Of course, there is no perfect phone, but for what this phone offers, I truly believe that it fits that saying of third time's the charm, right? This, I believe, is the first folding phone for the mainstream, for the normal customer. With iterations before, we've seen foldable phones in the style of folds like the Galaxy Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip, but they were expensive. The Z Flip 3 changes that, and maybe that is one of the reasons why I decided to ultimately pick up this foldable, not just because of for the sole purpose of reviewing, but also because I wanted to take a look at a foldable for the first time. I've never had a foldable of my own. So I was like, you know what, let me just go and pick this up. It has a starting price of $999 for 128 gigs of storage, and that's probably where Samsung was able to cut down the price. The original Z Flip and Z Flip 5G, their starting prices were obviously higher, like $1,300, $1,400, but they had 256 gigs of storage, which in my own use, 120 gigs on phones has been plenty for me. Like with my S21, didn't even use 128 gigs fully, so it's fine for me. I see it like this. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 is an upgrade from last year's Z Flip 5G with a lower price tag, and obviously a little bit lower storage as the base model, but if you want to get 256 gigs, just pay an extra $50. Oh, and another thing that played a role in buying and switching, forget the buying part, switching to the Flip 3 was the trade-in Samsung that Samsung was offering for its foldables. I traded in my Galaxy S21 for a value of $550. I'm going to be shipping this out real soon. But in essence, I ended up paying literally half the price of the Z Flip 3. And I'm getting the same internals as the Galaxy S21, so I didn't need to worry about that. You know, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Snapdragon 888. The Z Flip 3 has been performing like a champ. Okay, so let's get to the main reason why I switched to the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Yes, price was a factor, and this and that, and the trade-in deal with Samsung. Okay, those were all some reasons why I ultimately picked this up and decided to switch to it. But here's the main reason why. And it kind of sounds weird or goofy or whatever you want to think about it, but this folds. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 folds. Like, this is my first foldable, and I've had this for, you know, almost a week now, and I can't get over the fact that this folds. That period. That's it. Like, I've been getting so much positive feedback from my friends about this device. Everyone has been genuinely surprised and find that the Z Flip 3 is a cool phone. I get two different form factors. Look, when I'm using the Z Flip 3, I'm using that large 6.7-inch display, which in my case has been visually more appealing than the Galaxy S21. And those who do question that crease, yes, I mean, it's still there, it's present. No, it doesn't bother me or affect the way I use the phone. And believe me, guys, the crease will be here to stay for a while longer. Then when I'm done using the phone, guess what? Or I need to put it in my pocket, all I do is fold the phone, and now it's literally the same size as my wallet. Yes, I do use the MagSafe Apple Wallet. Anyway, it's one thing carrying a phone like the Galaxy S21 or an iPhone 12 mini, but having the Z Flip 3 just makes things easier because it's much more compact and portable. The Z Flip 3 does have a 1.9-inch outer display, which displays time and widgets and notifications from the outer display. But I think it's a help for me because when the phone is folded like this and I can see my notifications from the outer display, I'm less tempted to open the phone, like flip open the phone and play with it. However, I do enjoy folding the phone, opening it and closing it, and I also appreciate the phone's hinge, and it can sit at almost any angle I really want it to. So if I'm FaceTiming someone or watching a video or whatever it is, like it stays at that specific angle I want it to. You got to give me credit though. The fact that this phone can fold just blows my mind every single time. And I've had the Flip 3, like I said, for the past week at the time of this recording. Some might say, oh, it's just the honeymoon phase. But no, I literally don't agree with that. And I believe like there is no honeymoon phase with this phone for me. Like I'm going to be blown away every single time I fold this device. We've been hearing about foldables for years, like before obviously these foldable devices came out. And I always wanted to see one in real person, like have one for myself, and here it is. This folds. I don't care if it's the Fold 3 or the Flip 3. Yes, there's a crease. I don't care. This folds. That is cool. What makes this phone even better is the fact that the Z Flip 3 kind of stands out as a fashion accessory. Now, I'm gonna hear people complaining, and I've heard it before too, that this is a fashion accessory too. Your slab of glass, your smartphone, your normal smartphone is a fashion accessory too. Yes, you can put on extra cases or dress up according to the color, whatever it is. You can mix and match with your slab of glass. Okay, that's great and all. I get that. But this just gives it a different kind of feel to it that really adds to, I don't know, that extra vibe of this is a cool piece. This takes your smartphone and makes it an accessory, like an actual thing. Like, this is pretty cool. I just want to carry this around. I don't even need to use it. Just carry it. But it also acts as your smartphone and gets your daily needs done that you can do on your normal slab of glass. Now, the green colored Z Flip 3 that I have isn't a matte finish like some of the other finishes, but this green is a striking nice color in Samsung's lineup. It still gets fingerprints, but that's okay. Color aside though, I love the design of the phone. It's pretty thin when it's folded out. And honestly, it's been giving me these Game Boy Advance SP vibes. Like Game Boy Advance SP was like this when it's obviously folded, and it was pretty small too. I think this is actually smaller though. And then you would have to lift it up to open and play the Game Boy Advance SP. And obviously, just because of that, I think I'm going to be downloading some ROMs and some Pokemon Game Boy Advance games, because this is pretty cool. Just imagine playing games on this again like you would on the Game Boy Advance SP. So this is a great phone. Anyway, that about wraps up this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video as it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. I've been really enjoying the Z Flip 3, and I'm going to continue to test out more devices obviously on the channel, and we're in full tech season starting at the end of August. Well, obviously with the Z Flip 3 and the Z Fold 3 in August. So you're going to see more devices on the channel, but I feel like I'm going to be coming back to the Flip 3 every single time. And right now my SIM is officially in the Z Flip 3, and I don't think it's going to be coming out anytime soon as my daily driver. The Flip 3 is definitely serving its purpose, especially for me, both in functionality and in fashion. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody,
And until next video, this is MTG.